This is my first YouTube video. I know the camera quality is bad because, you know, it's my first YouTube video. What do you expect? So, today, we're going to figure out if a hairdryer can melt styrofoam. That's what we're going to cut it. We're going to cut it right there. Okay? I could just edit this video. Okay. So, is it on again? Oh, snap. Why is it so hard? This is the first YouTube video. It's going to be hard. I gotta get used to this. Okay. Let's get right into this. Okay, is it on? Let's get right into this. Look how terrible it is. See, like how milky it is? Yo! Veda! Come on, yo! Boom! That's crazy! That's crazy! It's like smoke coming out of it, but it doesn't look like that now. You know, it's where we're at so far. We're gonna try to melt the whole thing. Everything loses.